Harland David Sanders was born on September 9, 1890 in Henryville, Indiana, United States. His childhood was so difficult because he was not the only child in a not very wealthy family. I've read hundreds of cookbooks. For my money, they are the bird. I've only had two rules. Do all you can and do it the best you can. One has to remember that every failure can be a stepping stone to something better. I just say the moral out of my life is don't quit at age 65. Feed the poor and get rich, or feed the rich and get poor. I think a dream is just a suggestion to start something out, do something. There's no reason to be the richest man in the cemetery. The hard way builds solidly a foundation of confidence that cannot be swept away. No hours, nor amount of labor, nor amount of money would deter me from giving the best that there was in me. Work is the basis of living. People are just like farm equipment. They rust out quicker than they wear out. Hard work beats all the tonics and vitamins in the world. Don't be against things so much as for things. I made a resolve then that I was going to amount to something if I could. To me, my recipes are priceless. Scientists are a bunch of romantics. The Republican Party is a friend of social. What you need to do is move from reason that observes to reason that acts. There's something inside of me that makes me want to help people, especially people who are having difficulty of some kind. There's no reason to be the richest man in the cemetery. You can't do any business from there. Sitting in a rocker never appealed to me. Golf or fishing isn't as much fun as working.